Honey and oatmeal face mask. This is a simple recipe that combines oatmeal and honey and provides a gentle moisturization and exfoliation for the skin. How to make it? Blend 2 tablespoons of oatmeal in a small blender or coffee grinder for a few minutes until you get a fine white powder. Transfer it to a medium-sized bowl, add in 1 tablespoon of liquid honey, and mix it up well with a spoon. How to use it? The first thing to do is a facial steaming. Do it for about 7 minutes, then wash your face with cold water and a facial cleanser, and pat it dry. Now, go to the bathroom, tie up your hair, and scoop some amount of the honey oatmeal facial mixture with your clean fingers. Lean over the sink and gently apply the mixture, starting with the forehead, going down to the chin and neck as well. Leave it on the skin for 7–10 minutes, then remove it with a washcloth soaked in hot water and wrung out. Splash your face with cold water to close the pores, and pat dry with a clean towel. That's it. Your skin will be smooth and supple, and often, there is no need to use a moisturizer afterwards. Notes: wear some old t-shirt during the application to avoid staining your clothes. If you have acne, add a few drops of lavender or tea tree essential oil to the hot water while doing the steaming. The benefits of the ingredients: oatmeal soothes and calms the skin, relieves irritation, inflammation, and redness. It contains saponins, the natural cleansing agents that remove dirt and grime from the skin. Oatmeal also serves as an effective and gentle exfoliator due to its mild gritty texture. Honey has strong anti-inflammatory properties that are helpful in reducing inflammation. It also has skin brightening properties, acts as a natural skin moisturizer, and helps fight acne.